This stunning footage from northern Pakistan captures a massive landslide, as torrents of debris and dust cascade down the mountainside with overwhelming force. The raw power of nature is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Can you imagine witnessing this up close? A dramatic rock slide shakes the peaceful hills of Saturno, Brazil, with massive boulders crashing dangerously close to an old train line. Fortunately, no injuries or damage to homes were reported, but the event has left residents in awe of nature's immense power. Watch as massive hailstones pour down in Carolina during a wedding ceremony, turning a peaceful outdoor setting into chaos. Cars, tables, and the ground are pounded by these icy blasts, showing just how unpredictable nature can be. He's trying to hold my nose up. Look at this incredible sight. Massive clouds resting on the mountaintop, slowly drifting as if they're embracing the peak. Their gentle movement creates a truly magical moment, as if the earth and sky are meeting in perfect harmony. Look at this amazing phenomenon. One side of the road is pouring with rain, while the other side remains completely dry. A fascinating display of nature's unpredictability. In the bustling streets of China, a strange phenomenon unfolds. Thick foam covers the roads, leaving locals stunned. Is it nature's doing, or a man-made mishap? Look at this, a rare and mesmerizing fire tornado. Scorching flames collide with powerful winds, creating this jaw-dropping display of nature's raw and unpredictable power. Captured on a home security camera, a rare and breathtaking moment. A meteor streaking across the sky, crashing into the earth, and showcasing an incredible display of nature's raw power. In Norway, an ice dam suddenly bursts, unleashing a massive surge of water and ice that tears through the frozen landscape. A breathtaking moment showcasing nature's power. Watch as this tiny crab skillfully creates its burrow in the sand.
Keep watching, keep watching.
This phenomenal. Captured in Pakistan, this powerful flash flood thunders through the valley, carrying rocks and debris, a stunning demonstration of nature's relentless force. Check out this incredible scene from Sao Paulo's countryside in Brazil, where a massive tornado-like formation dominates the skies. Look at this terrifying moment as a 7.1 magnitude earthquake shakes Nepal and Bihar. The streets tremble, vehicles lose balance, and chaos erupts, capturing the raw force of nature in real time. Watch this incredible scene from Iceland, where a worker uses an excavator to try and stop the flow of lava. A remarkable display of human determination against nature's fiery force. Witness the jaw-dropping moment as 3 enormous waterspouts spiral over the ocean simultaneously. A rare and mesmerizing showcase of nature's untamed power. See how 10,000 ducks are transforming rice farming. These amazing creatures act as natural pest controllers, fertilize the soil, and boost productivity.